I'm David J. Collins, the local author, and I have two projects here at Market Days. Gay Bash is set here in the neighborhood. It's about a reserved gay man who fights back against two attackers and changes his life. Up in Andersonville, at the start of a horror trilogy called Summerdale, 4 gay men, 4 addictions, 1 landlord from hell. Welcome to GregRBaird Speaks.
Hey everybody, welcome to GregRBaird Speaks. I'm glad that you're here with me today, and we're heading down to Market Days. I haven't posted in a while, so I thought this would be a great opportunity. It is known as the last gay high holy days of the summer here for Market Days, and it's a beautiful Saturday. It's going to be a beautiful Sunday, and I'm glad you're here with me. I'm going to show you some sights, maybe even talk to a few people, and just check out what a great day it is. And I'm going to go see Pink tonight, so I'm really hoping I can get some video and show you that as well. So come along, nice to see you, and let's see what is going on.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing on to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Well, what a great weekend that was. Oh my gosh. I hope you enjoyed all the scenes from Market Days, all the hot men, and just the sights and everything else, and the incredible Pink concert I was at, which was last night. I'm surviving, can't believe it. Anyway, I'm so glad you could join me on this edition of GregRBaird Speaks. Be kind to one another. Be the voice of change in your life. Be the voice of change of lives in other people. And just be a good human being. I will see all of you soon. And who knows where I will turn up on the next time of GregRBaird Speaks.